In this video, we will be replacing the upper rearward control arms in this 2008 Hyundai Elantra. To prep this vehicle, I have installed wheel chocks on the front tires. I have raised the vehicle and supported it with a variety of safety stands, and I have removed the rear wheel from both sides. Taking a look underneath the vehicle from the rear, we can see our control arm. We can also see that there are 2 bolts holding it on. These are 17mm bolts, but they've been in a long time. So I'm going to begin by applying some Amsoil metal protector, which will act as a penetrating oil, helping those bolts come out a little bit easier. And holding on to the bolt with a 17mm combination wrench on the other side, we can loosen that up. And I always like to compare my new part with my old part to make sure that they look the same. This one looks pretty good. We can then work our new part into position. And we can then torque that down. And this repair is complete.